So the Summer STEM Explorer program is part extension of what we do during the school year. We bring in some new activities. We are doing the Maker Kit drones where they actually build the drones themselves and then they fly them. We also have rocket launchers.
I liked the rockets because mine went like so far. I'm excited about second grade. I like science.
It has fun activities every day and you learn some math while you're here. It's fun building things together and make them actually work and see your progress.
The purpose of the summer program is for them to continue having fun and realize that they are learning while they're having fun. There's like no limit to what they can do with STEM. If they have a problem and they have materials, they can solve it through deductive reasoning skills and problem solving.